Hi everyone, today I'm going to be replacing this track rod end on a Corsa. So this is the track rod end here. What I'm going to do is take a marker and mark where the threads are on the locking nut, so I know where to put it back to, just to keep the tracking roughly in the right place. You get your 21mm spanner and just crack off the locking nut on the back of it there. Then I'm going to take a 17mm socket on a breaker bar and crack off the nut that holds the track rod end into the hub. Once that's broken off, I'm going to get a ratchet spanner and just twist it off the rest of the way. Now that's held in there on a taper, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hammer and give it a couple of whaps to break it free. Sometimes I like to pull up on it a little bit just to give it a little bit of extra motivation to come out. There you go. Now with that out, we're going to twist it free off the threads. Now count the amount of turns that you do so you know how many to put back on. This will put the tracking roughly back into the same place as it was when you took it off. So if your tracking is perfect now and you follow those steps correctly, your tracking will be perfect when you're finished. Make sure you count the amount of turns that it takes exactly. Now the new track rod end, make sure you put it on the exact same amount of turns as you took it off with. And try to get it to be facing the same way when you start turning it as well. So if it was facing down when it come off, make sure it's facing down when it goes back on. If that makes any sense. We'll just count the amount of turns. And when they get there, stop and just retighten the locking nut on the back. Okay, now I've reached that amount of turns. If I try turning the locking nut, the whole thing is just going to spin. So I'm going to secure it in here. Just slot it back in and then just do the nut up nice and tight. Now that's nice and tight. Get your 21mm spanner back out and tighten up that locking nut on the back. If the markings don't line back up, chances are your tracking's out. So if they don't line up, go and get it tracked. If they do line up, you've done a brilliant job. Right, thanks for watching. Cheers guys, bye now.